5 years, biday sila, no?
So, kato na sa Dublin Mamser, those are the wildebeest. A large antelope that has gray coat with black mane on its face, considered as a clown here in Savannah because during mating season, the male will perform unusual dance moves to attract the male. And long 6 feet or 72 inches and will twist once every 2 years. So the one with the short horn is eland, the world's largest antelope that is light brown in color with white lines on its back and a black spiral horn. Both have horn, though female's horn tend to be longer and thicker than male's horn. They can grow up to 150 to 180 and can weigh nearly 1 ton. So those are the waterbuck, a reddish brown antelope with shaggy hair under their neck and a white circular ring on their rump. The use of that white ring is a follow me sign. Their body is an oil secretion which acts as a water repellent and defense mechanism towards other predators, since it has stinky smell. Only males have horn while females don't have. And